Alright guys, so this is a year later. Yeah, these are the Porsche Brembos 4 pistons. Part numbers right there. Yeah, I definitely cleaned them up a lot, but they still need a little more cleaning, and today hopefully I'm gonna get to painting them. I was looking to replace the seals, but honestly they look pretty good. I think it should be fine. Got some brake pads as well. EBC of course, and somewhere in there I have the lines that are gonna attach to the TT, and here I have the adapters. They are from, I totally forgot, Creations Motorsport. Very thick boys. So this is how they're gonna mount onto the TT. And for all those that don't know, my dog got surgery. So that was one of the main reasons why I was not uploading earlier this year. Right now he's limping just because he's going through some allergy treatment that we're injecting him, so he's fine. Well, fine and not fine. Alright guys, so I have the caliper here. It's already prepped. As you guys can see, I did cover these pistons and the seals, but I didn't do like the best job because I'm probably gonna end up replacing the seals either way, just to rebuild the whole caliper. I did cover the brake pad points, so you have 4 of them, and I also plugged the bleeder screws. I swear, I leave for like an hour and it begins to rain. And I literally have my brakes like drying out there. But luckily everything's good. So I haven't added clear coat yet. This is just the VHT paint that I used. So I still gotta add like the clear coat obviously and add the stickers. But overall, it came out really good. I'm not complaining. I like it. I'm excited to put these on. I wanted to use red paint, but I decided to go with black just for now. Probably in the future, I'm gonna do yellow when I get new wheels and all that stuff. But yeah, and this is California right now. Freaking, it's terrible. Alright guys, so right here I have the Porsche caliper. At least one of them. As you guys can see, I already installed the hardware. Obviously it's not in the car, but just for video purposes. Looks nice and clean. Got the little pin that goes across. And I also have the EBC brake pads, of course. They're installed. I haven't removed the, the masking tape that I had on it. Just because I still need to add the sticker. And obviously like the clear coat, but this stuff is pretty nice. You can still see the Porsche on it. I don't know what they used, but I tried sanding it and it didn't come off. Maybe I had to sand it a lot more, but this will have to do. I'm deciding if I want to put like an S-line sticker or like a regular Brembo sticker on there. Here I have the front brake lines that are specifically made to fit the Mark IV platform, which the TT is part of the Mark IV platform. So this like 90-degree angle side would connect to the caliper, right? Because it's a completely different fit. And this side right here would connect to the hardline of the TT. Right, so this this caliper just got a little more heavier, even though this thing is an aluminum piece, but the whole caliper is pretty heavy itself, and then it just kind of like offsets the weight a little bit. So this right here is the full setup. You see how this moves kind of a little bit, right? Just so that it can twist with the strut and everything, all the suspension. What do you guys think? Should I keep the black or should I go like yellow or red? Drop a comment and let me know. This is just to show you guys the brake setup, pretty much. Kind of like the finished product, but not the finished product. I'll have a video, hopefully maybe later this year before the year ends, or by next year, of fitting the brake calipers on the TT. I have a feeling that I might have to switch to 18-inch rims. Right now I'm currently running 17-inch, so that might be a problem. So I mean, I guess it is what it is. That was my mistake on ordering stuff, so now I gotta buy twice. You know that saying, buy nice or buy twice. So this has been like a 2-year project in the making for these calipers to fit the TT. I just haven't had that much time, especially right now that I got a new job. Unfortunately, I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so I have to do what I have to do. But I finally got a little bit of more income to like start messing around with stuff again. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like the video, leave a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you have people that like TTs. Yeah, and follow me on Instagram too if you'd like, and I'll see you guys next time.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?